Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Pete here, and we're gonna do a little bit of some arts and crafts today. I figured why not spruce up the diffuser by using this red piping, I guess you could call it, and or pinstriping or whatever. And I've actually had this on the car for a little bit, but it was on this part right here, and so it's been used before, and the adhesive is pretty much gone. But we're still gonna use it. We're gonna try to see how she looks with it. But anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're going to put the piping, I'm thinking about doing it like this. It's just wide enough to perfectly stay flush with these little fins on the diffuser. And I don't know, we'll see what kind of the final product will be, but I don't know, I think it'll look just fine. Like I mentioned before, the adhesive is gone, so we're gonna be using glue. And I'm just gonna glue the backing to it, and you know, cross my fingers and hope it sticks. It should. It has stick before. It's actually the third time I've used this pinstriping because I keep putting it on and taking it off. First, we're just gonna kind of liberally apply this stuff. Get a good amount of glue on here. But it looks like it's kind of going on real nice, so that's good to see. I'm not so worried about making a mess too, because I can always fix that later. This is honestly just to see what this striping will look like. We'll try this right like so. All right. It's bonding actually really nicely, even just with this basic glue. All right, so that's kind of an initial look. I actually really like that. It's kind of cool. All right, so we got our next piece on. What we're gonna do, just for this one, to prevent any kind of failure with adhesive / glue, is we're just gonna glue right on the edges here so we can not worry about this portion and the back, because I am wrapping it right around both edges. I'll get this side right here. Do that. I think this is perfect right here. And we'll just wrap it right around as we did before. Hope you guys can see that. I definitely feel like I'm blocking it. All right, so that is stripe number 2. Looks absolutely awesome. I really like it. I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna redo this one in the corner, if you guys can see. So as you guys can see, we sort of have a little bit of a gap there. I think I can just fix that by just pulling everything up and sort of tucking it under right here. I think then we'll have the finished product that we want. Just like that, we have our finished product. I like it. I think it really goes well with the GTI because we have the red stripe in the front of the car and the grille. As you guys know, all GTIs have that red stripe. But I think this really fits with the back of the car. But yeah, the overall look, I really like it. And it's certainly something you can definitely do if you have the Maxton diffuser. And I think other diffusers allow you to kind of do this type of thing too. So yeah, I definitely really like the look, and it ties in real nice with the car. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.